can now count it down in weeks before the Reggae Boys put it all on the line in that Intercontinental playoffs at the end of March. And there is some good news in that Leon Bailey is back in England. He's healthy and getting some playing time in what is now a title contending Aston Villa team. De Maria Gray is also finding some form in the championship. And look, Rudolph Speed and company could have looked at players till Dying Kingdom come. They are not going to find any magic talent better than Leon Bailey and De Maria Gray. And indeed, the original spine of the team, people like Isaac Hayden, Richard King, Damian Lowe, Ethan Pinnock, Nicholson, Cephas et al., especially with such limited time to prepare. The task at hand is to put these same players that we have in their right positions and then motivate them. Because when man on earth have done their best, Father God will do the rest. Pray for the wicked. We pray for the boys. Pray.